Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. We are going to drive down Mannings Hill Road today. I don't understand this sign. It says there's falling rocks. I don't know nothing about the falling rocks, but we're about to find out. Right, Madge?
Maybe. Maybe over there because you can see.
No, those little ones? No, sir. Well, maybe, I guess maybe when it rains. You know, because some rocks are really bothered by the rain. Other ones, it doesn't bother them a bit, you know? So, however that goes. Woo, that's a pretty house. Well, I'm going to have to show a picture of that another time because I was going too fast.
If you take down on one side,
If I'd go slow,
and then you're not coming up with the other side.
you know what I need though is a tall stick. I should bring a stick to tie this.
You got a stick.
I do. Yeah, I got a stick, but I didn't bring it. I could tie along. Oh, look at that view. Oh, I missed it. I missed all the great stuff. The people, all they're seeing is me. They're not seeing any of these beautiful homes or scenery. Here we go. Here we go. This is your money shot right here. That's your money shot right there. Uh-huh. Look at that. Wow.
Like if when you're going down, you do one side and then you're coming up, like you do that side that you're on, coming up like you do this side.
Yeah, I could, except I'd need a pole because some of these walls are so tall. You know? These are tall walls on some of these properties. Yes. I'm going to have to teach, somebody said you got to teach Madge how to hold that camera. Or they didn't say to teach you, but they said you could hold it part of the time. That way when I'm driving, I don't have to hold it, but it's okay. Because I know you're not a camera person like me.
But if I hold the camera...
Yeah? I can't cuss you for aiming it the wrong way?
Who will be on the camera?
Whoever you want to be on it. Whoever you aim it at. If you aim it at me, I'll be on the camera. If you aim it at you, you'll be on the camera. If you aim it out the front window,
so now that
the front window will be on the camera.
I'm looking at myself.
That's because I've got it pointed at you, but see, I'm running the camera, so I get to choose who gets to be on it. You understand? So if you were running it, you could choose who gets to be on it.
I don't want anyone to be cussing on me.
They'd be like, I just imagine I know how to run that camera.
No, not that. Don't want the camera to run on them.
Oh. I thought you said cussing.
No, yeah, I said
oh,
cussing
now here, this could be the falling rock area. Look at this. This is it. This is it. Woo! This is... Not with the camera going, we didn't. And see, there's some of those purple and green plants that I love so, and I see them everywhere.
Ponciana?
No. That's the red ones are the Ponciana.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the little short plants, the little grasses that are purple and green. Well, we already passed it. We were going by it when I was talking about it. When I see a next one, I'll show you. Oh, here's the next one right here. Here's the next one. Yeah.
Oh, you know what grove you want to find?
What? The Juju pussy?
That's what I grow.
Okay.
I don't know the right name for it.
Okay. So Madge don't know the right name, but it's a Juju pussy. Okay. If anybody knows it by anything other than a Juju pussy, please jump right in and say so.
YouTube, you're gonna say that.
That's what I'm saying it to. Yeah, jump right in and leave us a comment, because we know that can't be the that can't be the Latin name or whatever, or even the real name. But you know, Jamaica's got a colorful language. Jamaica's they got a name for everything. They even come up with a new name for their own self. Yeah, everybody. Whoa, look at that road, my goodness. What? Look at these dogs. Look at these dogs. I don't know what they got.
That looks
A
like a
diaper, baby diaper. They're fighting over it. Those dogs,
Whoa.
they're like, wow, that's a prized possession when you're a dog, you know. You can get some choice chewing off a used baby diaper. I'm gonna let this guy go by because he wants to go by me. There we go.
Just happy for that.
Yeah, because he can see I'm filming, and he got behind me a little bit ago, and then he was way back, so nothing like a baby's diaper for a prized possession for these dogs, these Jamaican mongrels, you know. Yeah, these Jamaican mongrels. Okay, what else we got to look at here? Now, I think I still go straight, or do I turn here? I'm pretty sure I go straight.
I think it's true.
Yeah, because there would be a sign if I needed to turn. There would surely be a sign if I turn. Oh, there's nothing too exciting here, but I'm gonna get over and park so this guy can get by me.
This road is so
Yeah, it's a narrow road. You can't. I mean, you could pass 2 cars at a time with that big van. I didn't want to. I'd have to go by it at the same time, you know. Woo. Well, you couldn't take a big truck on this road, could you? I guess you could. That's true. Those, especially those east side truckers. Those east side truckers that drive those big sand and gravel trucks and such.
Yeah.
You know, man, the way they can drive, they really have some experience. Just like, you know,
because
like Indian, the way he when he delivers our sand, you know, doesn't matter what the road is, he seems to be able to do the job with no problem, you know.
Jamaica.
Yes. This is a pretty time of day to be driving, you know, because we can drive with the windows down. It's nice and cool. Man, that guy's got a bright he's got a bright headlight. Excuse me. Oh, it's such a beautiful evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening, people. This is the time to be out and about. You know, we don't have the air conditioning going, although it's on. I don't understand why it's on when I got it turned off. Oh no, I have it on recirculate.
Whoa, look at this corner.
Woo! That's the problem here. Let me push that button. And we'll get a little outside air blowing in here too.
You don't like that corner.
No.
So sharp. Oh, there.
Yeah. Woo! Now these are a little bit older homes up here, but so see the old time satellite? See the old time satellite dish up on that one? Yeah. Oh, and there's one on this one too. See, the old time satellite on this one. Yeah. I know we drove here, but I didn't have the camera on. So now so this isn't totally uncharted territory, but for my wonderful, wonderful viewers and subscribers, this is new territory. We're breaking new territory right here for the viewers and subscribers. Although, you know, oh, it's so dark down in here. It's so cool. You know, a lot of the people watching though maybe are from around here. They've been here themselves before. You'd be surprised how many people are in foreign now, and they'll say, you know, they're Jamaican. I had one man say that he really liked it. He's married to a Jamaican wife. His wife is Jamaican. Hello.
And he is.
He didn't say what he is. I think it was Pennsylvania, maybe. I want to say they live. I got so many comments today, and I respond to all of them. But you know, my memory, I can't remember things that well on a good day. So, this isn't a good day. So anyway, well, my arm's getting tired holding this camera. Here, let me hold it in this hand over here.
I own it.
No, I'll have to cuss you for not aiming at the right direction. You know, no, there's no
There's
question.
some nice house over there.
Oh yeah. See if I can catch it. Well, I can't really hold it there. I gotta hold it over here to go through the front window.
This is a busy
Gotta
road.
get it up.
It's a busy road.
Yeah. Well, this is a cool road. I'm glad I decided to come down this way to get gas.
It's a shortcut to foot.
Yeah. Well, here's where we don't always jump in right there, but we do sometimes when we come down. Oh boy. Okay, well, we're in town now. Well, not really in town, but we're kind of in town. So what I'm gonna do is let this motorcycle man save his life first by slowing down. Then I'm gonna stop this till I get to the gas station, I think. And then when we get to the gas station, well, in the meantime, I'm gonna let everybody look at that bug on my windshield. See that bug on my windshield? Sorry, people. I need a clear shot. I need to get my windshield fixed because I got a big scratch in it from when my windshield wiper broke off, and it was in a big downpour and I couldn't stop to get it fixed. So I made a mistake by just not pulling over and wait. But you live and learn. You live and I learned not to do that again. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I gotta wave at everybody and give a big up yourself to everybody. You know, I was thinking there was a gas station on Main somewhere. Oh, there. Oh, there's one. Okay, we're at the gas station now. Oh, the grocery store's right over there. Yeah, I didn't know it was so close. Oh boy, I need to shave. I got a lot of whiskers showing up. Look at that. Lots of whiskers showing up. See, in the camera. Yeah, they're really showing up. I didn't know they'd show up so much. When I get a little bit in the sun a little bit, like I did earlier today, then it makes my face red, so then those white hairs really show up more. So I have to shave more often. So I'll shave tonight or in the morning. So the next video you won't be seeing all this white hairs on my face like I'm Santa Claus. Huh? Oh yeah, I talk about Santa Claus, yeah. Well, I didn't think this was a soft serve. I thought they were gonna give me some gas here. I don't know what's going on. I guess I better pop my... I don't know what's going on. I'm about to go to the next place. Fill it with 90. All right, we're gonna fill it with 90. And then when we're done filling it with 90, don't know what we're gonna do.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy it over the supermarket.
Of course, we'll go over there and get a little something.
Because this ain't doing what
I don't know why I said such a thing, but that's what I said.
Who likes Scenic gas?
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, you can really smell it, can't you? Okay. Huh? I'll look. I will definitely look to make sure that they charge me the right amount.
It buys them so no.
Huh?
It's gone. You must be a whole dog. Look at his guards. Look at him.
Look at him. Should I put the camera on him?
Whoa.
Should I put the camera on him?
You must leave the camera.
I don't know what happened to him, but you're right. They're hanging low.
You look to be living in Kingston, in the town here, and live so long.
You know?
Yeah.
He's a big dog.
Yeah.
Full grown. He's aged. You don't see old dogs in Jamaica that much because they get ran over too much.
Yeah.
And people don't keep them, in their yard. And that's obviously not a yard dog.
Mm-mm.
He just got a good sense about him and doesn't get.
Yeah. He's a smart dog.
He's a smart dog. He doesn't
This dog
get.
went to
He's just like
university.
when you see a big fly, you know it's a smart fly. Same with a dog. When you see a big dog, a big Jamaican mongrel, you know it's a smart Jamaican mongrel because he's lived a long
He's
time.
mongrel or mongrel? Which one of them?
Mongrel? Mongrel? I don't know. How do you say it?
You say mongrel.
People say they like my accent. I don't know what kind of accent I have. No, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, 9,000.
Change.
Oh, one of the new ones. Thank you. Got one of the new ones, sweetie. Here, let me show. One of the new ones. See? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Well, the new one you can give to your grandkids.
Yes, I give my grandkids. So every money I get, I must give it to grandkids.
No.
Oh, I thought you said I new one.
No, you don't have to give all the new ones to the grandkids, but I know you were trying to.
I'm keeping this.
You're going to keep that one for you. Okay.
I have 2,000 and I have a 1,000 already.
Yeah.
And so I want to.
So you're done giving your money away to your grandkids, huh?
No.
No, I know. I'm teasing you. Okay, here we are. It didn't take long to get to the grocery store. We'll see if they got a little. What are we going to see if they got a little Coca-Cola, little Red Stripe? Man, I'm embarrassed by these white whiskers.
I might see something.
Huh? Okay, I'm not going to film in there. Well, I could. Maybe I'll just film a little bit in there. That might be fun.
Up so much time.
Huh?
No, I'm saying it takes up so much time to film.
To film? It'll take me a bit of time.
Your attention then.
Oh, my attention. Well, you want my attention, sweetie? Oh, I feel so good knowing my baby wants my attention. Oh, she needs my attention. Yes.
You have to
Huh?
put all your attention in the filming when you're filming,
Okay. You heard it, folks. She craves my attention. She craves my attention. Okay, people. We're going to call it quits right here. Be sure and like, share, subscribe. I love reading your comments, and I even mentioned some of them. So, big up your own selves and bless up, and we'll see you later.
So just like.
Oh yeah, and like,
comment, subscribe, and what else?
share.
And share.
I'm surprised how many shares I get. And I really appreciate you guys following me. I'm trying to get up to 4,000. So please hit the like button. I mean, not the like button. Well, that helps too. But please subscribe if you're not subscribed. You're going to love our content. I just know you are. So we're going for the big 4. Going for the big 4. Let's do it, people. Let's do it. Bless yourselves. Half of them already signed off because I already did the big thumb up. So you missed out on this. If you already signed off, I'm sorry. Okay, for you who stayed, you got a bonus. Later.